In this video, we see how to create the VPC with the help of Terraform. Before moving to that, we discuss about VPC. What is VPC and the component of VPC? The VPC is a virtual private cloud. A virtual private cloud, a logical isolated virtual network in the AWS cloud. You define a VPC IP address space for from the ranges you select. Components of a VPC is a segment of a VPC IP address range where you can place a group of isolated resource. A public subnet that the subnet will have to access to the internet, while the private subnet will have not access to the internet. Internet gateway: the Amazon VPC side of connections to the public internet. In order for you VPC to have access to the internet, you have to attach an internet gateway to it. A route table: a route table contains a set of rules called routes that are used to determine where the network traffic from your subnet or gateway is directed. The last is CIDR. Classless inter-domain routing is a group of IP addresses that are allocated to the customer when they demand a fixed number of IP address. Now we move to the VS Code. Here the provider.tf, that is the connections between the AWS. There is we have to mention the providers: AWS, the region that USD is one, and the profile is Terraform user. In the previous video we created a profile that Terraform user. Now go to the VPC. That the VPC.tf. TF is the extension of Terraform. Here the resource AWS VPC. The name of the VPC that I created, create VPC1, and the CIDR block 10.0.0.0/16. Instance tendency is default and enable DNS hostname is true. And we also give the tag is my Terraform VPC1. Now we use the Terraform command. The first command is Terraform init. After that successfully initialize, then we use second command Terraform plan. Now use third command Terraform apply. Now type yes and click enter. Now our VPC is created. Now move to the console. Refresh it. Here this is my VPC that I created, my Terraform VPC1.